Alright, your Instagram account is configured and feed settings are done. If you need help with that, make sure to check out our videos on that. In this video, you'll be able to learn how to make your Instagram feed super stylish. WP Social Ninja loves giving you full control. You can customize almost every aspect of your feed's appearance from the style option. So, to further customize your feed, you first have to enable the option. As soon as you do that, you'll see the option to personalize the element. Click on Header to get the edit options. From the drop-down, you can change the text color and typography of all these elements. This is great if you want your feed to look more in tune with your brand. So definitely we'll suggest you to use your brand's accent colors here. We've got the color down. To change everything else, click on Typography. Change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else to give it the appearance you want. You can customize the buttons and boxes as well. Pick border type, shift the padding, change text color, make them look quirky or clean. It's all up to you. Let's move on to the title and do the same. You can also change the text color and typography of the statistics and description option. Last but not the least, the item box. Change the background color, typography, padding and border type for a brand new look. Don't forget to check out and fix how feeds are gonna look on different devices. Click on these icons to shift from one device to another. Save your settings. Let's check out how it looks on the front end. Nice! Wouldn't you say this is exactly what your website needed? Now go ahead and enjoy your growing website visitors. Subscribe and stay in touch with WPManageNinja for more useful videos like this.